The FDA is limiting the use of a newly approved and controversial Alzheimer's drug in the updated drug label. The agency says the drug should be used in patients with mild cognitive impairment or mild dementia stage of disease. Previously, the label said it was approved to treat Alzheimer's disease in general. The drug maker says the update clarifies the patient population that was studied in the clinical trials, and there are no safety or effectiveness data on initiating treatment at earlier or later stages. The CDC just updated its guidance for schools and says students and teachers who are fully vaccinated don't need to wear masks while inside. However, they're still recommending anyone who's unvaccinated will wear masks indoors. The agency also says schools should implement layered prevention strategies, including social distancing and testing, to reduce transmission risk and help protect those who are unvaccinated. The stress of discrimination can take a toll on the heart health of transgender adults. That's according to a new scientific statement from the American Heart Association. It states transgender men are twice as likely to have a heart attack than non-transgender men. Transgender people are also more likely to experience blood clots during estrogen hormone therapy. Experts say increased training across the healthcare profession is needed to foster more compassionate care. Walgreens is expanding its prescription delivery service. The drugstore chain says its same-day service will now be available at all of its U.S. locations. The company is broadening the option amid increasing competition from CVS, Rite Aid, and even Amazon. Adults with missing teeth face an increased risk of cognitive decline. A new NYU study analyzed data from 34,000 adults. It showed people with the most tooth loss had a 1.5 times higher risk of cognitive impairment and were 1.25 times more likely to develop dementia than those with no missing teeth. However, denture wearers did not have these same risks. Experts say nutritional deficiencies caused by chewing problems or inflammation from gum disease may explain the link. A new study shows yoga can help reduce work-related stress. Researchers looked at the effects of several relaxation techniques on nearly 700 healthcare workers. They found people who did yoga reported the greatest reduction in stress than any other method. Massage therapy was the next most effective method of stress release. Let's check in with Hutch for a last look at your forecast. Hutch.
Heading into the weekend, our conditions right now pretty fair. We've had clouds though, and temperatures in the 70s for a cool stretch this summer, which is kind of out of the ordinary for this hot and dry summer. A few showers south of Ellendale. We have some lightning taking place south of Jamestown, showers stretching into Sargent and Ransom counties right now. Palmyra just seeing a shower pass out over the 281 corridor. Here's your weekend planner. We're expecting an 83-degree day in Fargo. It will be warmer along the Canadian border and then near 90 for Fargo Sunday and warmer again in our northern counties for a hot weekend with a lot of sun. Stacey.
All right, thanks so much, Hutch. Thank you for joining us. Have a great weekend.